Hey you guys, so real quick I just wanted to share a PR haul with you from So Susan Cosmetics. I had never heard of them before they emailed me, but I'm really impressed so far with what I've used. They're cruelty free. They have a long list of things like paraben free, phthalate free. I'll post all that below, but I will also include some swatches. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. Okay, so they sent over their silhouette palette. It is foiled eyeshadow. It's in this really nice black case. Excuse my nails. I had them done like glitter tips for the Light the Night walk, and they're disgusting now. So anyway, a nice like hard shell palette. And these are foiled, so I'll go ahead and insert some swatches. This one's perfect for fall. They're all pretty deep colors. There is maybe two that are on the lighter end. And then they sent over their Carnival palette. When I opened this, I was shooketh. They are gradient eyeshadows, and I've used a couple, so they're a little bit, you can see how they're gradient. And again, I'll include some swatches. You would be shocked, but this shade here, Festival, you could totally wear to work. Like I put it on my eyes one day and it was so neutral, I can't believe it. Okay, and then they sent their rose gold palette. And if you know me, you know I love a rose gold. This one's really pretty. These are also all, it doesn't say foil, but they're all iridescent. So anyway, I will include the swatches of this. This one is like Thanksgiving in a palette. Like you got your sweet potatoes, your cranberries, your turkey, like come on, your silverware. So yeah, I have not put this one on my eyes yet, but I will include the swatches. And then they sent their rose gold liquid highlighter. It's called Lumiere. I do have this on my cheekbones. As you can see, well, the lighting's kind of bad, but I kind of use it like a blush, and it looks like this. It's so stinking cute. Again, you can see the color on the skin. And yeah, that's my super quick little haul. They did give me a coupon code for you guys to use to save 25% off, and it's SSSarah25. I'll drop it down below so that you have it to use on anything that you want. Yeah, they also have a subscription service. They didn't tell me about it, but I looked it up, and I think it's like Color Curate. Yeah, Color Curate subscription bag. So you can look into that as well. But anyway, like I said, I had never heard of this brand. I was super impressed with the swatches that I took. I've used a couple of the shades. So yeah, super grateful. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.